Hello, I'm Madeleine from Gentle Harmonies, and I'd just like to briefly go over with you all about affirmations. What is an affirmation? Rather than just being a thought, it's putting together what you would like to feel, what you'd like to do, and actually feeling it as well. The two need to go together. For example, if your thoughts are a bit negative, I suppose that's the main reason for most affirmations. You wake up in the morning and say to yourself, today I'm going to be happy. But then if the negative thoughts creep in and you say, today I'm going to be happy, and then it goes, oh no, you won't. Or you don't actually feel it. You've got to feel it as though it's really happening. For example, you could, if it's lucky and it's a lovely sunny day, you could look out your bedroom window and see the sun, the blue sky, and think how wonderful. And then think, today I am going to be happy. And then just feel it, feel the happiness of it being a beautiful day. It's all about energy and it's all about repetition. After all, everything's energy, isn't it? Our thoughts are energies, our emotions are energies. So if we keep repeating, it becomes a habit. And that's when things change, because it's only by doing that you ever get any change. Affirmations need to be very short statements or just a little sentence, but made them with intent. It's what you really want to do, and you really want to make this. The importance is, I want to change. I want to change my thoughts. I want to change how I feel. You can repeat it as often as you like. And yes, I suggest sort of in the morning. But you can do it as often as you like during the day. If you suddenly feel yourself feeling a bit grumpy, then maybe say to yourself, hang on, deep breath. Today I'm going to be happy. Amazingly, you'll find it really works. You can do it as often as you like every day. You can do it just in the mornings. Whatever suits you, whatever suits your time scale, whatever suits your mindset. But you'll soon find that, say a habit can be broken within 2 weeks. Try it. There's so many affirmations you can think of. You can look them up. We can let you have some. It's whatever you want to do, whatever you want to feel. But it's important. But remember as well, if you keep repeating the positive affirmation as often as you can, because those negative thoughts will still keep coming in until you've changed the habit. And your mind tends to be like a scale. It will weigh up how many thoughts have been positive, how many have been negative. So just make sure the positive ones are higher and they're more often. It's a bit like a gardener weeding out the weeds, isn't it? So I hope that helps a little bit. As I say, just practice makes perfect, and just make sure you're in a good space. If for whatever reason you decide to start an affirmation about being positive and you wake up and you're feeling really miserable, or you've had a really bad night, or the weather's lousy, whatever, then don't start that day. Don't force it on yourself. Just do it when the time's right. Good luck.